Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you about Vivo Y19 mobile call recording feature. If you're using Vivo Y19 and now you want to record your phone calls, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone call app and here you just have to select three dots in the top right corner, then settings. In settings, just look for call recording. Here's that, tap on it. Here you have an option of automatically record unknown numbers. If you have enabled this setting, so it will automatically record your unknown numbers. If you have received any call and the number is not saved in your contacts, it will automatically record the call. So now let's see the other option, which is automatically record these numbers. Just tap on it and here you have to select some contacts which call you want to record. You have to select contacts and then enable the settings, and after that your selected contacts will be recorded. So that's how you can easily enable mobile call recording on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.